Welcome to the Data Extracts Report tutorial. Today we will be learning how to set up a data extract for a one-time or recurring report. Data extracts are delivered as CSV files and allow up to 10 million data points per report at up to 1 minute granularity. This can be useful for a variety of use cases, such as importing raw data into your own workflow and analysis tools like Microsoft Excel. To access data extracts, click on the reports route in the header menu. You will automatically be on the data extracts subroute as noted by the subheader menu. Next, we will select the entity or entities we want to pull data for. To do this, we will use the Search Browse pane on the left. In this case, I want to extract data for sites and components in Group B. Next, I select the sites and components. You'll see two buttons to the right of the name. The left multi-select button will select all similar components under a single parent component. In this example, you can see the meter is the parent component, and when clicking on the left multi-select button, all of the inverters under this meter were selected. The right multi-select button will select all similar components under the site. As you can see in this example, all of the inverters under the site were selected, not just the ones under the parent component. One thing to note is that clicking these multi-select icons is positional. This means if you click a multi-select icon while on inverter 4 of 10, then only 4 of 10 will be highlighted, and 1 through 3 will remain unchecked. In this case, I'll select Site 11 and all of the components in the site by using the multi-select feature on the right-hand side. You will now see the data available fields for the site and components populated in the second sidebar pane. From here, you can select all of the data you want the report to contain. Additionally, you can change the aggregation of data points to minimum, maximum, average, and sum in the middle of the data available pane. In this example, I want to export measured AC energy for all of the inverters and the meter, as well as the insolation from the weather station. I can make this selection very quickly by using multi-select. Note, at the far right of each data field is a display of how many of the selected entities have this particular data available to plot. Notice in this example, the AC energy data field is only available for the inverters, and insolation is only available for the weather station. Hovering over the icon will display which components do not have that field available. Once I have made my selection, I'm going to click the Add button at the bottom. You can see the data point names are now populated to the right in the bottom selection pane of the report page. Next, we need to give this report a descriptive name, Tim's Monthly Report for Data Analysis. Edit the time zone if necessary and change the granularity of the data. Note, most sites report in 5-minute granularity, and choosing 1 minute will result in a lot of blank rows of data. Next, we can specify the time frame we want the report to return data from. Note, for recurring reports, we do not suggest that you select a custom time frame since it will send you a reoccurring report for those locked dates every time the report runs. In this case, I want to see the last month of data for my analysis. You can choose to leave the report organized by the order in which the data points were added, or organized by the site or component name, or by the data type. Click on the name or data type headers to change the sort. Additionally, you can delete data fields by clicking on the X icon to the left of the name. Next, we need to enter at least one valid email address, and finally, when I want the first report to run. If you want to set up the report to repeat, we can check the repeat checkbox and select how often we want the report to run. In this case, I want to receive the report at 9 a.m. on the 5th of every month. Click the Save button to save the report. You will receive an initial report depending on the initial runtime selected. Click the Run Now button to email you with the report right now. This will not save the report. Note: for recurring reports, you must select Save. Now we've just set up a data extract report that will get sent every month at 9 a.m. on the 5th day. Next, I'll show you where you can view and manage the list of your account's saved reports. In the subheader bar, the most right option is Saved Reports. Here, you can see a list of all the saved reports by type, name, the email addresses they send to, and the next time they are scheduled to run. If you click on one of the reports in the list, you will see the details of the report and can click to edit the report, which will bring you right back into the original interface, where you can add or remove data fields, adjust timeframes and granularity, or update recipients and the report schedule. Clicking on the trash can will allow you to delete a report. As a reminder, Locus offers custom report building via our Excel Data Link product, which leverages our API and Excel plugin. Custom Data Link reports can quickly automate common analysis that you perform and allow you to quickly identify those sites that need more attention. For more information, please contact your Locus account manager to discuss the Data Link solution. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your account manager or to support@locusenergy.com.